Okay, let's dive into 3 powerful ways you can use this in your daily conversations. We use ever in questions about life experiences and never for things we haven't done. And this is key. Ever is perfect with superlatives to really emphasize an experience. So if the time period isn't over yet, like today or this week, you need present perfect. You see? At work, it highlights recent actions that are relevant right now. The report is sent. Now this is a big one. Never use it with finish times like yesterday or last week. I once had a student say this. It's funny, right? But it's a great lesson. You were born once. All right, we've got the rules down. Now let's see how it shows up in culture. Dickens uses the simple past here. Why? Because he's talking about a finished historical time. But look here, Lord uses never to talk about her life experience up to this very moment. So why does this matter? To really get it, you have to immerse yourself in the language. Your dream of fluency is beautiful, and every single grammar point you master gets you closer. Thank you for choosing us. We're proud to guide you with our proven, tech-driven methodology. Here's a little fun fact for you. Grammar is an art, which means you're an artist. Ready to test what you've learned? Head over to our website for a free quiz on this lesson. So, the present perfect is for sharing your story. What new chapter will you share with it?